Find the best portable air conditioners at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 10 best portable air conditioners on the market. 10. Keystone Eco-Friendly 14,000 BTU Portable Indoor Air Conditioner. The portable air conditioner comes with eco-friendly construction. With the help of 14,000 BTU cooling power, this device is also able to cool a room up to 700 square feet. Moreover, the inbuilt dehumidification comes with no bucket design up to 3 pints per hour. This machine has cooling, heating, dehumidifying, and fan modes. 9. Higher HPND 14XHT14 000 BTU 115V Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. This portable air conditioner offers 14,000 BTU cooling and 10,000 BTU of heating. I also like this device for its easy maneuverability. Moreover, this device is suitable for conditioning air of the room up to 600 square feet. The control panel offers digital time and temperature display. 8. RolliCool Alexa-enabled portable air conditioner 14,000 BTU AC unit. The best part of this 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner that it is voice controllable. I can also control this device via a mobile app. Moreover, this machine allows you to control your machine from each corner of the globe. This device comes with remote control and control as well for easy operation. 7. MIDEA MPF14CR81E Portable Air Conditioner 14,000 BTU Easycool AC. I have stress-freely used this portable air conditioner for winter heating and summer cooling. This device with 14,000 BTU cooling capacity cools a room up to 350 square feet. Moreover, the unit offers simultaneous fan and dehumidification functions. This portable machine is ideal for your studio, bedroom, or apartment. 6. JHS 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, 3-in-1 floor AC unit. This 14,000 BTU air conditioner comes with the top air outlet design. I also like this device for its wider and faster air circulation in my room. Moreover, the machine offers the cooling up to the area of 500 square feet. This portable machine is suitable for your living room, warehouse, office, and almost everywhere. 5. HOMELabs 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. I have used this 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner in my bedroom for its ultra-quiet operation. This energy-efficient device also effectively cools a room up to 700 square feet. Moreover, the machine comes with an automatic vertical swing function for equal and consistent airflow. 4. SPTWA 1420E Portable Air Conditioner, 14,000 BTU. The air conditioner comes with a user-friendly control panel and remote. I also like the dehumidifying function of this device. Moreover, The machine offers dehumidification without cooling or heating operation. This conditioner has a 3-speed fan and a programmable timer for stress-free operation. 3. Soleus Air LX140, 14,000 BTU Evaporative Portable Air Conditioner. This 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is my favorite for its 14200 BTU heating operation. The unit also comes along with an inbuilt dehumidifier. Moreover, this machine removes up to 60 pints. Moreover, this evaporative air conditioner consists of a 3-speed fan mode in one. 2. Honeywell HL14 SESWC Air Conditioner, 14,000 BTU. The auto-evaporation technology of this air conditioner makes my ideal choice in this category. With the help of this technology, you also do not need to clear bucket repeatedly. Moreover, the portable unit offers to cool to the room up to 700 square feet. 1. Black & Decker 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner Unit plus 11,000 BTU Heater. The best thing I love about this portable air conditioner for its 4-in-1 bucket-less design. You can also easily use this machine for your bedroom, apartment, dorm, or garage.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.